Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get your pay stub from Uber. Okay, so first things first, you want to go ahead and log in to your Uber account. So open the Uber driver app or go to drivers.uber.com, sign in with your Uber driver account, and then you want to go ahead and access your earnings. So tap on the earnings tab in the app and then go ahead and select the desired week or pay period. Then you just need to tap on a see pay details to view a breakdown of your earnings, and then just download your pay statement. And if you want an official pay summary, visit the Uber website on a desktop and go ahead to the earnings tab and then click on tax documents. Select either the weekly or monthly statements you need and then click on download PDF for your pay stub. And that's it, guys. If you need more details, you can always go ahead and use Uber's tax summary reports or download a transaction history from your Uber Pro dashboard. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.